It is indeed an honor to be here this afternoon for this grand occasion. A few weeks ago, I was attending similar occasions for schools in Nandi, Singatoka, and Lautoka. I'm just as glad to be here and be part of this event and share most of you your greatest achievements this afternoon. Today is a big day for our prefects. Whenever I speak to the audience such as yours, I recall my days in school. You all are lucky, at least you're sitting on the chairs and the benches provided. During our time, we used to sit on the floor, and we used to have similar functions like this. And we also used to have a chief guest. So after the function, we few great friends used to sit together and used to challenge each other that, one day I'll be one of them, like our chief guest for that particular day. So what I'm trying to say, that our vision or the pathway began at that age, just like yours. So I want to say to all of you that your path begins today. Who knows that there are ministers, doctors sitting here amongst us? Of course, a day will come because you are our future. And we will have ministers, doctors, time will come. But you need to be focused. You need to work hard. And you need to do the right thing at all times. So students, prefects, your teachers from today will pass on you some responsibilities that will test your resolve as leaders. From today onwards, after this ceremony, you will become student leaders of your school. And I wish to state that leaders lead by example. We have so many types of leaders, but I don't want to talk about that today. But I want to say that you cannot and should not just command and give orders. You have to set examples. If you want to be respected, you will have to give the same respect to your other colleagues. So on that note, congratulations to all of you who will be inducted as prefects. Just want to say a few words to the parents. Government has placed more emphasis on education today like never before, so that Fiji becomes a knowledgeable society. As they say, knowledge is power. Indeed, it is true in this day and age. And today we need knowledge to be able to adapt to the world that we are gradually updating ourselves with the technology. So parents, I'd also like to urge not only to you, but please also urge your neighbors in your various communities to take advantage of the free education offered by government and send the children to school. Today, most of you are here to celebrate your child's achievement. It is vitally important that we also provide the necessary support that will harness their leadership qualities as parents as well. Parents, I'd also like to urge all of you to provide your children the environment of learning as well. Don't just think that it is the only responsibility of the teachers. It's not going to work. It is a partnership between the parents, the teachers, and the students. Our homes are where children learn their first steps. words and characters, and therefore, as parents, our children will only act, talk, and live as we live. In schools, mostly the students only replay or display what they see, what they hear, and what they feel at home. Teachers, your roles have never been more demanding like never before. And on behalf of the government, I want to thank all our teachers for your effort and the hard work in the development of our children. Can we all put our hands together for our teachers? And that is why it is more important that we need to work together as parents, teachers, and students to ensure that these children, at least majority of them, achieve and fulfill their dreams and become successful in future. I would like to congratulate all the student prefects for their selection today. The teacher who introduced to me, to all of you, spoke about my mayorship in Bala. And during our mayorship, we used to wear the mayoral chain, just like this girl. So during those days, when I used to go in public, I used to say that this chain is not chain of a power. It's a chain of responsibility. So the badge that will be given to you, it's not about power. It's about responsibility. And at the same time, you need to be disciplined as well in and out of classroom. I used to say this to the bar soccer team whenever they asked me to come for a talk to the team. I used to say to them on discipline that discipline is the most important thing when you go out to play. And not only on the field, but off the field as well. So same applies to you. You need to be disciplined in the classroom and outside the classroom. So with these few words, once again, thank you so much for the invitation, and may God bless us all. Vinaka.
The head boy of our school is it's Ritif Rajiv Anand of year 8R. Can we have a big round of applause for him?
Can you also come up on the stage?
The head girl of Penang Sangam Primary School for the academic year 2022 is, guess? Okay, she is none other than Risa Suhani Chand of year 8W. Can we have a big round of applause for her? And I request Mr. and Mrs. Chand, say, and Madam, can you also come up on this? Madam.